Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 1st of June, the first day of meteorological summer. I'm James Spann. Most of the state dry today, but in coming days, heat and humidity values gradually increasing in the tropics. Heating up. A little Bay of Campeche action going on here as hurricane season begins. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. We have ridging beginning to build. That looks a lot like summertime, but at least for one more morning, it's awfully nice. Look at Cullman, 50 this morning. Our friend Vic Bell up at Black Creek has 49 to start the first day of June. Gadsden, 54. Jasper, 55, but highs will be in the mid-80s in most spots today. The sky will stay sunny. Pretty quiet day around the country. That's the watch warning map. Severe storms, maybe a few over the western high plains, a marginal risk there. But things are quiet down here. We do note maybe the chance of a few isolated storms over the southeastern corner of the state today, but most of Alabama dry. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk over parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin up on the north side of the ridge. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, we've got a risk of severe storms all the way from the Great Plains over into Pennsylvania. And notice we're in the green. That means a few pop-up storms are a possibility Wednesday afternoon. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Of course, eyes are on the Gulf of Mexico with that tropical feature. Heavier totals for Alabama down across the southern part of the state, 1 to 2 inches there. Under 1/2 inch for the north. And this is valid through Monday morning of next week. And again, we're getting into the season of these random scattered afternoon storms, so these maps are kind of hard to prepare. Let's talk about the tropics. The Hurricane Center giving the disturbance that's inland right now a 60% chance of development within 48 hours. And then beyond that, a 70% chance of developing in the Bay of Campeche, the far southwestern Gulf of Mexico. And pretty good chance this thing becomes a tropical storm. If the circulation is disrupted, this, by the way, was Eastern Pacific Tropical Storm Amanda. Circulation disrupted over land. It gets a new circulation. It gets the sea name, which will be Cristobal in the southwestern Gulf. This is the output from the European ensemble. This is probabilistic, and this is what you need to look at this point, probabilities only. And you can see the higher probabilities of a tropical depression or storm are clustered on the southwest Louisiana and the upper Texas coast in about a week. So that's just a broad look at this thing. But remember, deeper moisture is going to be along into the east of the circulation center, and that might bring enhanced rain chances to even the Alabama and the northwest Florida Gulf Coast, but maybe not a washout. We'll talk about that as we go. Here we go, model fans. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 4 o'clock this afternoon. There's your ridge beginning to form, and down below that, it's a dry air mass. The sky will be sunny, highs mid to upper 80s today. Now, this is tomorrow. The GFS depicting increased moisture. And we'll probably introduce a small chance of an afternoon shower. I still think much of the day dry, highs, again, mid to upper 80s. This is Wednesday. Moisture should be a little deeper. We'll bring in the chance of a few scattered showers and storms on Wednesday in response to that. Again, highs should be in the 80s. Same thing Thursday. And understand when you see all that green, this does not mean a rainy day. This will be a partly sunny day, warm, humid, scattered random showers and storms. That'll be the case on Friday. And let's look at the weekend. This is Saturday, and it's the same thing. Warm, humid, partly sunny, scattered showers and storms. They'll be random, not necessarily widespread. And this is Sunday. And that looks a little drier for us as the tropical system begins to get its act together down in the Gulf, under 1,000 millibars. We'll check the European. Very good consistency here in this deterministic output. But again, at this point, you want to really look at the ensembles, which we showed you earlier. But both models show a tropical low south of the coast of Louisiana on Sunday with few, if any, showers around here. So this is Monday, a week from today, the 8th. Upper high centered a bit north of us, and the GFS pulls the tropical system in toward Galveston and Houston, and not necessarily deep, just kind of a broad surface low, a tropical storm perhaps. And the European has it farther to the south. It's got it off the southern tip of Texas. And there's no way of knowing where this thing winds up exactly right now. Understand that, and I think people that watch these videos understand that as well. But again, you want to look at the ensembles and the probabilistic outlook, which is what you saw earlier here. And in terms of the Gulf Coast, a lot of questions about Gulf Shores and Panama City Beach and Destin. There will be probably increased moisture from this feature as they get that onshore flow on the east side of the circulation. But it doesn't mean it's just going to rain the entire time. Let me put it this way. It wouldn't stop me from going. The sun out at times, but yes, you'll have some showers and thunderstorms to deal with, but you have those basically every day in summer, but they could be enhanced a bit because of that deeper moisture. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, the 10th, upper high over the east. And again, that looks fairly quiet with maybe the deeper moisture off to the west of here. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches for the first half of June. Highs mostly upper 80s, lows mostly upper 60s to near 70 through June 11th. And the CPC outlook, June 8th through the 14th, showing temperatures here a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.